Hi, welcome to Mood Brains. This is team32 for cluster and cloud computing, and this is our front-end demonstration. Here are our team members, and in the right top corner, you can see 4 buttons in navbar. These two can lead you to the map and chart page, and the monitoring button. You can click it to see the dashboard of monitoring for each instances. So let's look at the map page first. It may need a few seconds to load data from CouchDB. We can see that there are 3 types of maps in the navbar, each of them visualizing different types of data. The Twitter map here shows the happy score we calculated by positive tweets percentage. You can choose to view cloud data or old tweets in past 5 years. I firstly choose to view the old tweets in 2018. The darker color means higher happy score, so here Richmond seems to have higher happy score than Q. If you click the suburb, it will show more details with the specific happy score and 3 pie chart. So Richmond's happy score is 0.46, which means 46% of tweets in Richmond is positive. The first pie chart shows the sentiment distribution, so you can see the detailed numbers by hovering the pie chart. So you can see the positive number, the neutral tweets number, and the negative tweets number here. The second pie chart shows the top 5 hashtags in positive tweets in Richmond. So you can see the hashtag and their number by hovering the pie chart. So there are positive discussion regarding Richmond, hiring, job. Similarly, we can see the negative hashtags. So there may have some complaints about Melbourne, Cat, Richmond. So you can find interesting stories by viewing these hashtags and sentiment. And users can click any suburbs to view the details, so they can find interesting stories for all the suburbs. For example, if they want to see what their neighbors are talking about and what their attitude towards it, you can just click the suburb you are interested in. You can also zoom in or zoom out for your needs and click the suburb anytime you want. So all the Twitter maps have same functionalities as I showed. The second map is Orin map. As I mentioned, we have 2 types of Orin data, economy and health. So we calculate economy and health score by different data sets. The darker color means higher economy scores or higher health scores. So let's check economy map first. So here Docklands seems to have higher economy score than North Melbourne. If you click the suburb, you can see a bar chart shows 2 different indexes. One is total unemployed and one is non-school qualification. The economy score is 0.67, is calculated by these 2 indexes. The specific data will show up if you hovering the bar. So the total unemployed number for Docklands is about 6,000. And if you click in North Melbourne, the total unemployed and non-school qualification number seems larger than Docklands. If I switch to the health map, which shows the health situation when click is suburb, you can see death number and the medical expenses, which used to calculate the health score. The scenario map shows 2 scenarios of our project, Melbourne Mood and OSPO. They are compared with Orin data. If you click Melbourne Mood, the color shows the average happy score over past 5 years, and if you click the suburb, both tweets and Orin data over years shows up with line chart. you may find correlations here. So if the orange data is missing, we'll only show the trend of happy score over years. Same as the first scenario if you click OSPO. The color shows the total number of tweets with OSPO hashtag. So the detailed line chart shows orange health data and the positive percentage in OSPO tweets over years. So we may find some correlations between health situation and people's attitudes towards Australia politics. So let's move to chart page. The first pie chart helps users to compare certain orange data and the number of tweets in different sentiments. You can scroll to see the suburb data. The line chart shows full suburb sentiment trend over years, so the user can investigate whether the overall sentiment of a suburb go better or go worse over 5 years. You can change suburb here. And the second is scatter chart. This also used to analyze the relationship between orange statistics and the tweet's sentiments. Each point presents a suburb, indicates orange data, and y-axis means positive score. So the user can see the overall distribution. So now let's look at the monitoring dashboard. So we can see here there are some peak values for CouchDB usage. This may be because I load data when I view the map and chart. And here you can see different type of information. You can also switch to other instances. So here for instance 2, the CouchDB also have this, our CouchDB cluster located in instance 1 to instance 3. So this is end of my presentation. Thank you.